Alright guys, so here's the steel frames scuff plates. This basically is gonna go right here. So I'm preset it here so you guys can see more or less. So the idea is that it goes like that. So I have a microfiber towel here. I'm gonna clean the area nice, and then this has 3M adhesive on the bottom. The vendor recommends that after you peel these off, you preheat it, and that way it becomes more sticky, and then you just place it on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and heat up all these 3 adhesive pads. After removing it, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the area, and I'm gonna go ahead and place it so you guys can see how it looks. And this applies to all 4 areas. So let's get started with this one, and we'll move on to the next one. Alright guys, so there's the first one right there. Very easy install. Like I said, you just heat up the pads after removing the red ribbon, and then you just place it. My measure point was exactly where this line is. That's the one I followed. I placed it in, pushed on it, and then instead of using my hand so I wouldn't scratch the logo here, I used the microfiber towel. Just apply pressure, moving down, forward like this, applying pressure, and that was it. So as you can see, it doesn't come off easily. I'm applying a lot of pressure here and nothing comes off. So that's how that one looks. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one, and we'll take it from there. Guys, so you guys get an idea, I went ahead and I removed the red strips off of the 3M tape, and then I'm using a hair blow dryer to go ahead and heat up the area. So just so you guys get an idea, all you're doing is heating up the pads very slowly in a nice circular motion, and you don't have to leave the gun there for a while. Just enough to heat up the pads. So that it becomes very sticky and just sticks on right away. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach this one as well, and then you guys can see the final product. Alright guys, so for the back, they're a bit smaller, but same concept. The lineup is gonna be your line right here. That's where you're gonna line up more or less, so that way you have both of them even on both sides. So same concept, remove the red strip, heat it up, place it, push, press on it, and then ready to go. So go ahead and finalize this one, the other end, and then I'll show you a full walkthrough around of all 4. Guys, so this is the final look. Here's the passenger side. Here's the back side, right hand side. I'll go ahead and look at the driver back side. And last but not least, the driver's side. Really nice touch up on the car, guys. Very inexpensive mod. Just makes the car look complete as it should. So let me know what you guys think. Like, share, and subscribe. Any comments, questions, go ahead and write them below, and I'll go ahead and I'll answer them. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a very blessed day.